I started Exactaform in 1979. I couldn't afford to employ anybody, so the cheapest labour I could get was the wife. She operated a surface grinder for probably 3 or 4 months, which enabled us to make a little bit more profit to take an employee on. I started by renting a small office with the one machine, which really was 16 hours a day working to produce enough money for the rent of the machine and the rent of the office. It was quite a struggle early days. I soon realised that automation was the way that we could succeed. That was the real big breakthrough, is having automatic machines able to produce the cutting tools that we were manufacturing manually. Over the years, it became very apparent to me that the company was producing cutting tools quicker and better quality than a lot of our opposition, which has enabled us to be the largest independent diamond tool manufacturer in the UK. The grandson Jamie that's now with us, he started when he was about 13 or 14. He would have come in and earn his pocket money and sweep the floor. He's not sweeping the floor anymore, I'm sweeping the floor, so it's quite a strange turnaround.
I love to hear the story from John about how he started the company, and it's been great from my perspective to see it from such a young age and to where it's come from to where it is today. My personal tenure over the last 11 years, I was employee number 12. We now have 70 employees, we're in a brand new building. Everything has changed. The company is not afraid to change and adapt with the times, whether it's products, customers, industries, technologies, cultures. Of course, that has to change as you grow. And growing up with a grandfather as driven as John, as non-materialistic as John, who is passionate about what he does because he believes in the engineering, is great. What a grounding for our family to try and follow in his footsteps. And live up to those expectations that he set so early on.
As with all of us, if you have the desire to do anything, you can do anything you want. And we're very fortunate people to be able to do that.